What's up guys, and happy Easter. Yes indeed, you read it, we have launch control. Yes, we have launch control, and thanks to a subscriber to my channel. First, I didn't think that was possible on the manual models, but then I searched it up on the net, and yes, it is true, we have launch control. And now I'm gonna show it to you how to launch e90 manual version on a regular basis. So what you have to do, it's pretty simple. You have to do some simple steps, and after that you can launch it pretty easily. So first of all, I want to tell you that don't launch your car when your engine is cold. That's a pretty basic step. You'll have to have your engine at least 5 to 15 minutes of warming time, and after that it's pretty simple to do it. So you have to put it in the first gear. Your clutch has to be depressed. So first gear, clutch is in, and now floor it like a kick down in automatic transmission. And then when you kick down it, you'll watch the revs. So I'm now gonna push it and hold it, and the revs are gonna hold themselves like this on 2,500 RPMs. So I don't know if you got that clear, but it's pretty simple. With the clutch depressed, and be very careful to really depress the clutch and not let go of the pedal. Okay, so clutch depressed, first gear, DTC and all of the systems are on, and then floor it really hard. And now the revs are holding on. Okay, let's see another thing that I thought was pretty interesting. If you are on the track or you like to be in the play mode, like I've said in the other videos, disengage the DTC and the DSC and leave the DTC activated. So now if you do the same thing, first gear, clutch fully depressed, and floor it, you don't have launch control. The most important thing for you to have launch control is have all of the systems on. So don't touch the DTC button, and don't do anything, just put it in first gear, clutch fully depressed, and then floor it, and it will stay like that on 2050. I don't know, it's almost 2.5 RPMs. Okay, so now let's go on a test drive and test the launch control, and hope I'll do a lot better there. Okay, so clutch in, first gear. So now I'll try to do a comparison, launching the car with the DTC activated. Let's see. I think it will be a lot of wheel spin. I'll keep it on 3,500. I don't know. It seems pretty the same. It seems pretty the same to me. So there it is, you saw it. I think on the track and in the instances when you really want to get the most out of your car on a performance e90, you really need launch control, and you need a really quick time and a really fast launch. But on daily use, I don't know if there is that big difference between launch control manually or automated launch control, as you saw in the first part of the video. So yeah, I'll let you decide which one was faster, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, and why not share and subscribe to the channel for new videos to come. Thanks, and see you in the next one.